the Beachy Bakers.
I'm Gracie.
And I'm Brooke.
And today we are going to be making oatmeal cookies.
These are super delicious and they are very easy to make.
So let's go ahead and get right on into it.
First, you're going to beat 1 stick or half a cup of softened butter for 30 seconds. Now beat in half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of packed brown sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now slowly mix in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 1 cup of oats and half a cup of chocolate chips. Now roll out your cookie dough onto sprayed cookie sheets. Bake your cookies at 375 degrees for 8 minutes.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the big red button down below.
Leave a like on this video.
And comment down below what you think we should bake next.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go check out our Instagram. It will be linked in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.
Bye.